How to fix Google Chrome time error. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix it is very easy and simple, and I will show you how to in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to your browser, go to the top corner, click on those three dots and go down to settings, click on it, and now go to this system option and make sure to enable those two options right here, and then go down to reset and cleanup. Click here on restore settings to the original defaults. Click on it and click on reset settings, and now after you click on it, all what you have to do is just restart your Google Chrome browser, and then I am sure that problem is gonna be solved. And if it's not, all what you have to do is change the time on your PC or laptop. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.